So I got these new door sill plate covers from AMT Custom Designs, and let me tell you, these things are awesome. The packaging is quality and the door seals are well protected in the box as well. What helps makes the install so easy is the prefabricated tape on the back side of the sill plate covers. The directions are pretty straightforward. Once you're ready to install, just remove the back of the tape, line it up with your factory sill plates, and press down. Here's how the factory ones looked. And you can see the difference right away. These were a tremendous improvement over the original stock plates.